In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this match cut effect in just a few clicks by using ClickZoomPro. The link to download the plugin is in the description below. So first, let's go to Google and search for something like Super Bowl. Once the results appear, I'm going to take multiple screenshots of pages where I can see the word Super Bowl. The goal is to collect several screenshots where the same word appears in different positions. After that, we go back into After Effects. Import all the screenshots into your project. Next, create a new composition and drag all the screenshots into the timeline. I'll duplicate them quickly, Ctrl+D, so we have enough material to work with. Now I click on Refresh or Auto Refresh so the plugin can detect all the screenshots automatically. And this is where it gets really simple. Go to Match Cut. If it's set to off, switch it to on. As soon as it's on, I can start drawing boxes around the word I want to match. In my case, it's Super Bowl. So I just frame the word on each screenshot. Every time I draw a box, the plugin understands that this is the element we want to match between the images. Once I finish framing all the words, this part is very important. Make sure nothing is selected. Then choose the transition duration. For example, 4 frames or 4 seconds depending on the effect you want. Then click Apply. And just like that, you can see the match cut is automatically created. Everything is aligned, animated, and ready to go. Now we can enhance the look. For example, select everything, Ctrl+A, press S, and slightly increase the scale to add more impact. You can also add sound design to make it more dynamic. And if you want something even more stylish, you can add a little blur or activate a preset like Act 1 to make it more cinematic. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've created a clean, fast, professional match cut effect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, the download link for the plugin is in the description below. See you in the next video.